How to use Temu in the UK, Australia, and Canada. Hey everybody, if you'd like to do so in today's video, we'll be guiding you through the steps. So first of all, even if you're in any country, you can just head over to your available App Store or Play Store. After that, you can just go to the search, and then once you are there, just go ahead and search for Temu. And once you find the application, just go ahead and download it. You can even go to the Temu website if you prefer. After that, open it up, and if you're a new user, you can just head over and create an account. But if you're an old one, you can just go ahead and create an account. I mean, log in into your account at the moment. After that is then you can explore the wide range of products on the platform and add items you would like to purchase to your cart. For that, look out for the product and look out for the cart option. The cart option should be available in all of the application, I mean all of the products. So look out for cart option, tap on it in order to add the product to cart. And once it is added, go to checkout method. For that, look out for this cart option. And from here, head over and follow up the checkout process. So here you can find this options available. Look out for checkout. And once you tap on it, you can just go ahead and provide in your address and everything and go ahead with the checkout and then confirm it. And that's it. You can choose your payment method and complete the order, select your preferred payment method, and finalize your purchase. And after placing your order, you will be receiving update on its progress. For that, you can look out for the U tab in the bottom right corner. And from there, you can find a section called Your Orders. Tap on it. And from there, you will be finding all of the status of your orders that will be happening. And that's it. So therefore, this is how you basically use the Temu application. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.